We interrupt your programming. This message was transmitted by the U.S. government. The local authorities has detected an unknown entity of unknown origin in your area. Affected areas are Elkhart and South Bend. Board up all windows and entrances to your local home. Don't answer anyone outside. If you see or hear something, do not hesitate to call police. This message is not a test. Please take cover now before the entity has entered the area. When the entity has entered the area, we will transmit a warning.